is up? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing and awesome today. We're going to learn Have You Ever Seen the Rain by CCR. It's one of the best acoustic rock songs of all time. Just super fun and positive, even though it makes you feel a little sad, doesn't it? Anyway, let's get to it. It's in C major, but the intro part starts in A minor, actually. It goes like this. Right there, like that. So an A minor, a double strum, F major, I play it with my thumb, but you can use a bar chord if you want, to a C major, and you do a good explosion right there. What's cool is if you put the 3rd fret of the low E string, it makes the C major really pretty right there, and then to a G major. And when you go to the G major, it does that cool little note right there where it goes. Very cool. So you go 2nd fret of the G string, open G, hit the 2nd fret of the D string twice, and then go to the 3rd fret of the low E string, and then 3rd fret of that A string. So, and now you're strumming the C major. Nice easy strumming. I know. G major. Back to C major. Does that again. C major, and then does this nice little cool walk up. Goes like this. I wanna know. I'll come right back to that, but let me show you the walk up. So when you're C major, you hit the 3rd fret of that A string, so go, and that's the open D string, and then 2nd fret of the D string. But what's cool is you're in a C major, so you just go, just remove that finger and add it back on to another C major. Super easy. And when you do that, you go to an F major, G, have you C, and I'll show you this walk down in a second. I wanna know. So F, G, have you C minor? Okay, so let's do the walk down. C major, and then remove these 2 fingers and put that on the 2nd fret of the A string, while leaving this finger planted on the 1st fret of the B string. Makes that kind of noise. Doesn't sound that great, but it sounds good when you do it in speed here. And then you go to an A minor. And I've got a couple videos on walk downs and walk ups that you ought to check out. They show all sorts of cool ways to do it. So A minor, and then you could go to a G major and then do an F major, but I do this. A minor, add that finger right there, the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, and then you go to an F major, like that. It's really easy. Check this out. All right, so let me do it. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? One more time, F major, G major like a hurricane, C major. And when it does that C major, it's really, you're in the G chord. It's sort of like this. I didn't do that real well, but I was trying to do the chord. To C major. Does that over and over again throughout the rest of the song. Really easy, chill progression, and a lot of fun and super beautiful, and people will be singing it at the campfire or in your house or in the neighborhood, whatever. All right, let me know what you think about this in the comments, and I'll see you around the channel. See ya.